Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast.
Today is Wednesday, October 5th, 2022.
Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance in a moment of silence. Stand, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Stand for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated.
Today's weather is a high of 86, a low of 60, partly cloudy, and there is a 6% chance of rain.
Today's breakfast is breakfast wrap, fruit of choice, and juice of choice.
Today's lunch is turkey roast, green beans, mashed potato with gravy, breadsticks, fruit of choice, and juice of choice. Today's announcements. Please post attendance between 8:20 and 8:30. Grades. Please print weekly grade books for each course or keep an updated electronic copy each week just in case. There will be no library or technology classes this week. They will resume on October 10th. Today's late duty is Miss Curd.
Important dates. October 6th, you're not away out of uniform, bring $2. October 7th, end of first quarter. October 10th, teacher work day. October 11th, second quarter begins. October 14th, 5th grade field trip to Davidson. October 17th to the 21st, book fair. October 17th, Red Cross Blood Mobile. October 21st, Kona Ice. October 24th to the 28th, Red Ribbon Week.
Today's birthdays are Jamil Chester and Mason Beard. Sorry if we pronounced anyone's names wrong.
Send us your question of the day. Are you curious about something? Always wondered how something works? Send us your question and it may be chosen for our question of the day to be answered by our research team. You can submit questions to the question box that will be located in the library.
That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday.